Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Irfan Helmi bin Arsam.
And my name is Muhammad Shakir bin Hadi.
And my name is Muhammad Saufi bin Ramli.
And today we will present about assignment composite repair. So what is composite repair? Composite repair are performed on damaged laminate structure, fiber reinforced composite and other composite materials. The bonded composite repair reduce stress in the damaged region and prevent crack from opening or growing. Damage to composite components is always visible to the naked eye, and the extent of damage is the best determined for structural components by suitable non-destructive test (NDT) method. So we go to the first defect. First defect that I want to explain is delamination. What is delamination? Delamination is sprayitation along a panel parallel to a surface, as in the sprayitation of a coating from a substrate or the layer of a coating from each other, or in the case of concrete slab, a horizontal splitting, cracking or sprayitation near the upper surface. For the inspection method, to search the delamination, there are multiple non-destructive testing methods to detect delamination in structure, including visual inspection, type testing, ultrasound, radiography, and infrared imaging. Visual inspection is useful for detecting delamination at the surface and edge of materials. How it occurs? Improper resin or catalyst, improper mixing or weighing of the components, inadequate amount of pressure or heating during the cure cycle, and improper cleaning of dirt, grease or forging material.
So for the second defect, we will talk about resin stuff area. So what is resin stuff area? Resin starvation is known as a major defect in the vacuum inspection composite manufacturing process that would result significant loss of mechanical properties in final product. So, how it occur? It occur because of lack of pressure on the affected area during polymerization, and improperly spreading up the resin is also the cause due to some resin does not wet the fabric. So, for the inspection method, we can use visual inspection of the laminate that would detect resin starvation, which appear as porosity on the surface of the laminate. The porosity would have to be further evaluated using ultrasonic inspection to give more accurate subsurface information and to evaluate per sound attenuation criteria.
Okay, next we go to third defect. Third defect is air bubbles. What is air bubbles? Bubbles and their resulting voids are among most destructive factors during the fabrication of composite materials that can lead to significant decrease in overall properties and huge destruction in composite sample structure due to increase in gas concentration of bubble. How it occurs? It is caused by the expansion of trapped gases within the lamina. They may appear either in solid laminates or sandwich construction, and most of the time is due to the instantaneous rate of heat up in cure cycles. Inspection method that used to inspect air bubbles is ultrasonic inspection, which is to check for air bubbles in composite aircraft components. The ultrasonic is compounded in water jets that scan the surface of the components. Okay, next, the last defects, scratches. What is scratches? It is a surface damage appearing on the laminate surface and only affecting the resin of the first coat of plies or the finishing on the composite structure. Scratches affecting one or more layers of fabric should be considered as cracks or fractures. How the scratches occur? Many causes that contribute to this damage, but usually it happens during transportation because of rubbing. The inspection method to inspect the scratches. The scratch test is an established method in material testing. Done in a laboratory setting, it simulates the kind of stresses that a coating will undergo in everyday use. according to ASTM C1624 and ISO 20502, as well as DIN EN 1071-3, the scratch test may be used to check the adhesive and cohesive strength of coating.
So, that I can conclude is composite repair are performed on damaged laminate structure, fiber, reinforced composite, and other composite material. The bonded composite repair reduces stresses in the damaged region and prevent cracking from opening or growing. Composite material are used in a wide range of applications in aerospace, marine, automotive, surface transport, and sport equipment markets. Damage to composite component is not always visible to the naked eye, and the extent of the damage is best determined for structural component by non-suitable destructive test method. So that's all from us. Thank you.